Now, let's talk about alkalinizing and boosting your immune system after the detox. Well, you see, one of the best ways to alkalinize your body is by incorporating raw, micronutrient-dense, highly alkaline sea algae, chlorophyll, grasses, and herbs. And no better solution than that is our organic super greens. Our organic super greens product is formulated with over 32 fully transparent, evidence-based superfoods. You see, unlike most of these other greens products in the market, we don't hide when we put in our greens. In fact, a lot of the greens product on the market do not disclose what's in them, and they'll actually do something called pixie dusting, where they'll put an ineffective ingredient like a rice flour as a major ingredient, and then put a sprinkle here or there of wheatgrass and spirulina. You see, our organic greens product is formulated with over 6,000 milligrams of wheatgrass and over 1,000 milligrams of spirulina, among the other 28 highly alkalinizing greens. So this product is a phenomenal alternative to when you can't come into our smoothie bar and need to get greens on the go. But what's also amazing about this is you will get clean, sustained, natural energy. You see, that's the problem with low energy is we're always going for that extra cup of coffee and caffeine, which is actually lying to your body by giving you false energy. By utilizing wheatgrass and all these other greens, you can give your body the raw nutrients that it needs. And research shows that wheatgrass actually provides a little bit more natural clean energy because it's high in amounts of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is how plants get their energy through the sun. So this green energy will actually have a little bit more naturally occurring oxygen so that you have better energy. So not only have we addressed alkalinization with our organic super greens, but we're going to talk about how we can boost gut health and immunity.